everyone, my name is Annalizay, for those of you who don't know me. I hope you guys are doing well underneath this quarantine time. It's been super weird and quiet, and we've all had a lot of times to ourselves, I'm sure. But I figured today I would show you some tips and tricks when it comes to makeup. It's been a while since I've done a tutorial, so I figured it would be time to kind of do one. And for today, I'm going to be using two products, the Esum Cosmetics line as well as the Viseart. So for today, to kind of tie in with the look that I've created, I'm going to be going in with the dual lip pencil in the shade Plum. So something that's super cool about this is, as it says, it's dual-ended, so it has a light and a dark end, which is pretty cool because you can use it to contour the lips. And you can use both day or night. You can wear it by itself because it does have a creamy consistency, which is really nice because it doesn't dry out the lips. Or you can top it off with a gloss, which is what I will be doing, so you guys can see both effects. And yeah, something that's super cool about this line is they are cruelty-free, vegan-free, and gluten-free. The formula is really nice. Like I said, it has a creamy consistency, so it glides on smoothly onto the lips. And it's designed to kind of help shade, define, and all that good stuff. Okay, so for today's lip color choice, I'm gonna go in with the lighter side of the pencil. Just kind of tying with the eye look that I have going on. I wanna keep it kind of light and flirty and cute and fresh. So I'm gonna just kind of walk you through kind of when it comes to lip lining as to why you would do it and kind of the benefits of doing it. So there's two ways that you can kind of outline your lips. One of them is you can follow obviously the natural shape and outline of your lip, or if you want to do something that's a bit fuller. Me personally, I like to make the top a little bit fuller, so you don't want to go too crazy, number one, and two, you don't really need to outline your lips excessively, honestly. Outlining just kind of helps to, one, create a border for any lipstick that you kind of put inside, so it kind of helps with the lipstick from bleeding, as well as creating definition and shape for your lips. So it creates a little bit more structure, which is also fun. And it also helps to have a longer wear of your lipstick as you kind of go on during your day and you're eating, drinking coffee, all that stuff, which I miss doing all those things. So yeah, so for me personally, I'm gonna just go in and I'm going to outline just slightly above my lip just to give my top lip a fuller look. And when it comes to the bottom, I'm gonna keep the outline that it has here and just follow that natural shape because I enjoy that for my face shape and all that stuff. I don't necessarily want to make this any bigger. So yeah, I will show you guys kind of how to do that. And the nice thing about these guys, like I said, super creamy consistency, so you can wear it by itself, which I will show you that, and then I'll also show you what it looks like with the gloss on top, just so you guys can get a visual of both outcomes. Also, the fun thing about the lip liners are, because they're buildable, you can have the lips look really soft or bold if you really want to. So right now, as you can tell, my bottom lip does look a little bit bolder than my topper lip, and that's just because I'm going to be going in with a second kind of stroke to darken the edges. And so when you kind of darken the edges of your lips, that helps to bring the definition. And then you can just kind of lightly feather inside to give it that like soft touch in the middle. So this is with the second round of going around to outline my lips. And so now, so this is, I mean, look at this. Like, I can literally just go out like this and be set. So you can literally just like do that and do that as well to kind of blend the top and the bottom together to keep it light. I'm gonna just go in to the inside of my lips and just kind of darken that up a bit. Just doing light strokes. And so this is a good everyday color, honestly. Like, I can wear this every single day. And I really enjoy it because, like I said, the consistency is really nice. So it's creamy it like glides so nicely, like it's amazing. And so yeah, you can literally wear it just like this, or you can top it off with a gloss, which is what I will do right now, just to kind of show you guys both. It literally smells like bubblegum too, so FYI. I just want to like eat it, but I know I probably shouldn't. Cool, and this is the end result of using the dual lip pencil as well as the gloss. I'm a fan. I hope you guys are a fan, and I'm a fan of their product, so it's really cool. I would check them out. Love them. So yeah, and then also right now I'm gonna just go in with the dual eye lip pencil and use one of the shades to just kind of give my top lip a little highlight, just for a little extra definition. So that is obviously something you can do at the end. You don't have to do it, but I figured I'd try it out, because why not, and just, you know, kind of see what happens. So I just went in like really late. I don't even know if it did anything, honestly, but it just created like a little highlight on my Cupid's bow, which I like to do because it's just fun and because why not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I look forward to seeing you guys on another tutorial.